Hey, it's summertime, it's getting hot out, and it's getting hot in this school bus. This thing is just a metal can with very little insulation in it, and we really want to paint this roof white. But the first thing, you see that there's all sorts of mildew, just nastiness. This thing is set around for a few years and underneath trees, and just the nastiness from that just falls on top of the roof, and you know, we didn't wash the bus over the last few years. So anyway, we're going to strip all of this nastiness off here, this mildewy, moldy, black residue that's on this paint right now with a product called Purple Power. And you can easily get that on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. But anyway, we like to put this in a sprayer and pump it up and spray it on. This whole bus was nasty like this. We actually painted this thing here about a month ago, and we want to paint the roof white because it's going to really reflect that heat off here. But like I said, we don't want to just slap that white paint down before we clean the roof of this bus. So let's see how good this Purple Power does. I mean, you can see just spraying a little bit of it on there and just wiping it off with my finger. Man, I mean, it really takes it away, and soap and water does not do as good as this stuff does. Alright, so you see behind us here how good of a job this stuff is done. You know, I actually come up here and she rinsed it off, and you know, it really looks 10 times better, even though it's kind of the yellow and the brown paint that was up here. You can tell that whenever the original owner had painted it, he didn't put a lot of coats on it. But anyway, it looks a lot better just as it is compared to all the mildew that was on it. As you can see right here, it still has mildew on it. So we're just going to continue to keep spraying this and just scrub it away and show you how easy this stuff works really good. Now, I've used Simple Green and some other products like that in the past, and they work pretty good too. But man, this stuff just really eats it right away. Well, we ran out of Purple Power, but we also ran out of roof surface that needed cleaned. And we really do like this stuff, not just saying that. This bus, the whole thing was mildewy because, you know, it's set. We bought this thing in 2013 and it's 2018 right now. And it's just been setting for the longest time. We sprayed the whole sides down. When we was at the car wash, we didn't even have to scrub it. We sprayed it down, let it soak for a few minutes, and the power washer at the car wash was able to scrub or peel that right off, which without that it was not doing a good of a job. So this stuff really does a great job. We will leave a link, an Amazon link, in the description below. It is an affiliate link. It does help us make these videos. But I guess the next step is that we're going to paint this roof white. If you've got any suggestions for us, whether we should use just regular white paint or if we should use an elastameric roof coating, I'm not really sure. Does the white paint have less thermal properties than the elastameric roof coating? So thanks again, guys, and real soon is air conditioners, because my wife is not enjoying how hot it is inside. So we'll see you guys in the next video.